Aso ile vai aso. Aso sa. Aso ngofua. Aso lua. Aso lulu. Aso kofi. Aso farele. Aso kongai. Sa o alu ile loku I aso sa uma. I went to church every Sunday. You see this uma after aso sa? In this context, it means all or every. When you hear uma attached to a word, it means all or every. In this case, aso sa uma or every Sunday. Aso ngofua. Olea la kowo ile valele ile aso ngofua. They will go on the plane Monday. Olea la kowo ile valele ile aso ngofua. Aso lua. Efa lua aso ile vai aso o aso lua. The second day of the week is Tuesday. You see the O before fa'alua and O before asolua? Whenever you say this is that or one thing is also another thing, the sentence structure is O this, O that. In this case, O fa'alua aso, ile vai aso, O asolua. O, second day of the week, O, Tuesday. Asolulu. Na ia famati no mai e toifo e mai le asolulu. At the end of the sentence you see on Wednesday. On the Wednesday or ile asolulu. If you wanted to be more specific about which Wednesday, you can change the le with another determiner like ile ne asolulu, this Wednesday, or ise asolulu, a Wednesday. You can also add the uma on the end to say every Wednesday. Asokofi. O se aso kofi ile ne masina, o le asa mai o ia. This month, on a Thursday, he will come. Aso falele. Ya, faete ete pea alu oe le aso farele ina ne ie le vea. The sentence has two concepts I want to point out. Bea, which means when in the future, also ina nei, which means so not, so that something or someone won't. Be sure to watch videos on the different ways to say when and so that. Aso kongai. Sama confeso soani aku le faifeau le aso kongai. We helped the pastor on Saturday. Efia aso ile vai aso. How many days of the week? Efitu aso ile vai aso. There are 7 days of the week. O ile ne aso. What day is this? Ole aso kongai. It's Saturday. Afea te aluiai. When are you going? Ile vai aso asao. In the week to come. Next week. Here's an exercise. Practice these phrases and substitute days and months. O ile ne aso. Ole aso kofi. Afea te aluiai. Ile ne vai aso. Masina ole tau sanga. Months of the year. Januari. Februari. Mati. Apelila, Mei, Juni, July, Agosto, September, October, November, December.